as whole countries.
Kango chopo sa chiel koda sa deka Sinfros Okinda ubrokeloni lipoda ano. Kawthi nyime ni Jagoro mungirone migao mar somo Dr. Bello Kipsang yango ni pinyo wacho ko bingao omenda mag sombo mbalariany kaka osebedo ka ilieko koda jokanyo mamoko kane oloso e sikund sekondar machania Boys. Kipsang olero ni jopuonjre makwangi romo 45,000 biro somo e mbalariany ma ok gichul e bwo chenro mar sirikal. Siro jopuonjre go medo ni kwan omenda ma jopuonjre biro chulo e semester chiel bende ok bi dhi malo moheo 2022. Jagoro nono olero ni pinyo wacho medo tego tiegruok mag TVET omiyo omenda ma sirikal koro chwalo e kuonde tiegruok mag TVET oidho koa bilion 5 nyaka bilion 15 higa ka higa.
That in our new funding model, we've not increased university education fees. In fact, what will happen is that for the first time, 45,000 students, 45,000, will walk to our university, acquire education without paying a shilling. The highest amount our parents will pay is around 7%, which goes to around, at most, around 22,000 shillings per semester.
I have read in various areas about the new, the way we have recalibrated the tertiary education, and the fact of the matter is that in this current year's budget, we actually doubled our allocation to our universities, up to a tune of 80 billion Kenya shillings. We also increased the higher education loans board allocation from 15 billion to 30 billion, and this is geared towards having an equitable society.
Those bright students to the university, and they are not paying even a coin. They are fully sponsored by the government. Also the help, we have multiplied the amount of money that we used to give the help so that people can be able to get, or the students can be able to get or access more cash than they used to do there.